Hi. In this second video, I am going to explain how to represent a set and some important number sets in mathematics which we are going to use, and we are going to do exercise 1.1 also. Now, there are three methods to represent a set. Again, I repeat, there are three methods to represent a set. So we can represent a set in three ways. What are they? Number one, roster form. Roster form. It's also called tabular form. Second one is set builder form. Set builder form. And third one is Venn diagram form. So let me explain one by one. What is the roster form? Roster form. In this method, we make the list of the elements of the set. We make the list of all the elements of the set, and we close them with any curly brackets, and we give a name for this. For example, let A be the set of natural numbers. Less than 6. So we know what are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on continuously, and we need only those numbers which are less than 6. What are the elements we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now already for this set we give a name carefully, and we know the elements of the set. So first what we write? First we make a list of all the elements of the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we separate with the commas, and we close with the curly brackets, and we give the name as A is equal to. Now writing this set in this form is called a roster form. It's called a roster form. Again repeat, in this method we make list of all the elements, and we separate them with the commas, we close them with the curly brackets, and we give any name for that. So this is the roster form. Now let me explain one more example. In this one. Let capital B be the set of prime numbers. Less than 10. I want all the prime numbers less than 10, and the name of the set is capital B. And we know which are the prime numbers less than 10. 2 is the prime number less than 10. 3 is the prime number less than 10. 5 is the prime number less than 10. 7 is the prime number less than 10. And next number is 11 is a prime number, but it is not less than 10. So we stop here. So in this set B, I have 4 elements, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now how do you write? First, we make the list of all the elements of the set, and separate with the commas, closing with curly brackets and giving the name. So this is a roster form of this capital V. And let me see one more example. Third one. Let V be the set of ovals. Next example. Let third one. Let capital V be the set of ovals of English language. English language. So here the name is V, and we know what are the elements of the set. So I am writing directly. The elements are A, E, I, O, U, and we close with curly brackets and we give the name V is equal to. So this is about a roster form. One important note: when the set is represented in the roster form, note in this one, elements are different. That means we don't repeat the elements. I will explain by example. Let capital A be the set of elements of a word school. Here I have 6 letters and 2 are repeating. While representing the elements of this word in roster form, I write A is equal to SCHOOL. So I write SCHOL. All the items are different. All the elements are different. And second note is order of the list is immaterial. What is the meaning? I can write SCHOL. This is same as LOHCS. This is same as CSHOL. The important thing is whether all the elements are listed or not the order. So how do you write? That means here order of the elements of the list. The list. is not important. That means A is equal to my S C H O L is same as L O H C S is same as C S L O H. So in the empty set, all the elements are there, but no element is repeated. This is very, very important. Second one is set builder form. Now, in this set builder form, what we are going to do? Suppose I have set, say x is a set of all the natural numbers less than 1000. We know the elements. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 1000. To make a list, a lot of time consumption. So, to represent a set which have many elements, a roster form is not suitable. In this case, we use set builder form. In set builder form, how do we write? Now, in this one, we describe the elements. Element which have that property by the symbol x. After this, it followed by and you know very well, this is called a colon. The symbol colon. Then we write the property of the elements. So here three things. Number one, describing the element by x. Next one, writing the symbol colon, and finally writing the property of the elements. So three things are there. Number one, describe an element by the symbol x. Number one. Number two, followed by a colon symbol. Number three, write the property of the elements. For example, let A be the set of natural numbers less than 5. Already we know the roster form of the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Roster form. Here also we write first A is equal to in simple form. First 1, 2, 3, 4 elements described by letter X. So first we write X and followed by the symbol colon, and after that we describe the property. What the property? X belongs to natural number, and moreover x is less than 5. So this is a set builder form. Set builder form. Let me explain one more example. Second example. Let capital B is set of even numbers. Set of even numbers less than 100. Now, let B the set of even numbers less than 100. First, let me write in roster form. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up to 98. And we know that the even numbers are multiples of 2. Even numbers are multiples of 2. That means if you multiply any positive integer by 2, you will get even number. I am going to use that property. So first I write B is equal to. See, no need to use always x. I can use y, z also. So here I use y. Y such that. What is the property of y? Y is equal to 2x. What is x here? X is a natural number. Moreover, my x must be less than 50. Why? Because if I take more than 50, say for example 51, 2 times of 51 is I get 1 or 2, which is not an element of this set. So here y colon y is equal to 2x, x belongs to n, x is less than 50. Now this colon symbol read as such that. So here, how do I write? B is equal to y such that y is equal to 2x and x belongs to n and x is less than 50, which is a roster set builder form of the set builder. Now the third one is Venn diagram. Now I am going to explain about this Venn diagram after doing 3 exercises.